How to copy and paste on an iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up the thing you would like to copy. And now inside your tab where you want the cursor to appear. Now tap and hold on the text until a menu appears. Then simply tap on select. After that, use the drag handle to highlight as much text as you need. After that, simply tap on copy right over here. And just like that, you have just copied a text. If you want to move to a place where you would like to paste it, you need to go ahead and simply long press onto it, then tap on paste. And just like that, you have successfully pasted your text on your iPhone. Now, here is a helpful tip. If your keyboard is open, you can simply press and hold on the space bar. This turns the keyboard into a trackpad, allowing you to move the cursor more precisely. Also remember that cut removes the selected text while copying it, whereas copy leaves the original text unchanged. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.